The base of index numbers can be selected in two ways. The first one is the fixed index, and the other method is the chain-based methods. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the chain index numbers. So, in chain index numbers, for every current year, the preceding year is taken as a base year. So, in our example here, the base year for 2002 will be year 2001. The base year for year 2005 will be 2004. So therefore, the price index using the chain-based method is given by P1 over P0 times 100. So where P1 is the price at the current year, and the P0 will be the price at base period. So in this case, we have an example here where we have one commodity, say rice, and you have the prices of rice for a certain period. Together, the index number using the chain-based method, we're going to calculate the price relative, P1 over P0 times 100. For the first time period, because we don't have the preceding year, we cannot find the price relative. So that cannot be found because the data is not available. So then, for the next one, the price relative will be the current year, which is 7, and the preceding year. And then we need to multiply by that 100. So that will give us 140. Moving along with the next year, but the base now here is the price of the preceding year 2002, which was 7. So 4 divided by 7 will this is 120. So these are the chain index numbers for this single commodity, rice, for the duration that you're given. So it gives us the trend of change with respect to its previous time period. So one of the advantages of chain-based method is that one of the problem with constructing index numbers is the selection of the base year. So in this case, that this problem does not arise because every year is taken as a base period at some given point. Another merit is that as a comparison with the preceding year, new items can be included according to the choices of a consumer, and in that case it can also be removed. And finally, this is a very useful method in economics. This method is useful in the fields of economics as the value of the variable in the current period is compared with the most recent period. A few limitations is this method is suitable only for short-term comparison of the value of the variable in the current period and the preceding year. So that is to say this value is only used for telling us what happened between 2001 and 2002. So beyond that, the index number is not useful. Another limiter in calculation of the index by this method, then the effect of the error is replicated in the other. As last limitation is that if the information or there's missing information in one of the years, then this method may not be suitable. Thank you for watching.